Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we will know about how to familiarize with different types of condensers used in refrigerators, bottle coolers, visible coolers, deep freezers, window ACs and split ACs.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to identify the condenser of a refrigerator, identify the condenser of a bottle cooler, identify the condenser of a visible cooler, identify the condenser of a deep freezer, identify the condenser of a window AC and split AC. Now, let us take a look at the tools, equipment and consumables needed for familiarizing with different types of condensers used in refrigerators, bottle coolers, visible coolers, deep freezers, window ACs and split ACs. Tools, equipment and consumables. Trainees toolkit. Oil can, refrigerator condenser, bottle cooler condenser, visible cooler condenser, deep freezer condenser, window AC and split AC condenser, cotton cloth, oil. Now, let us see the preparations for familiarizing with different types of condensers used in refrigerators, bottle coolers, visible coolers, deep freezers, window ACs and split ACs. Task 1. Identify the type of condenser used in a refrigerator. Visually inspect. Record in the table. The static or stationary condenser is a type of condenser consisting of a set of coils made of copper or aluminum tubing. They are usually located at the back or bottom of the refrigerator and operate through natural convection and radiation to dissipate heat. Working procedure of a static condenser in a refrigerator. Heat dissipation. Refrigerant vapor condenses in fridge coils, releasing heat outward. Condensation process. Refrigerant condenses in fridge coils, releasing heat to surroundings for liquefaction. Heat exchange. The refrigerant's heat transfers to surrounding air, aiding liquefaction. Expansion and cooling. Refrigerant passes through valve, expands, cools due to reduced pressure. Evaporation for cooling. Chilled refrigerant in coils absorbs interior heat, cooling contents. Circulation and repeated cycle. Refrigerant cycles to sustain fridge's desired cooling temperature consistently. Task 2. Identify the type of condenser used in a bottle cooler. Visually inspect. Record in the table. Bottle coolers often use a forced air condenser due to their need for efficient cooling in commercial settings. Working procedure of a forced air condenser in a bottle cooler. Heat dissipation. The bottle cooler's compressor transforms refrigerant to high pressure vapor. Condensation process. Forced air condenser receives high pressure vapor, expedites heat exchange, heat transfer and cooling. Coil passage releases heat aided by forced air circulation, condensing refrigerant. Expansion and cooling. Refrigerant passing through valve expands and cools profoundly due to pressure decrease. Evaporation for cooling. Chilled refrigerant in coils absorbs condense heat, maintaining cooler. Circulation and continuous cooling cycle. Refrigerant cycles to sustain bottle cooler's temperature, chilling its contents. Task 3. Identify the type of condenser used in a visible cooler. Visually inspect. In a visible cooler, the type of condenser commonly used is an air-cooled condenser. This condenser works by transferring heat from the refrigerant to the ambient air. Working procedure of an air-cooled condenser. Refrigerant flow. The refrigerant, in its gaseous state, absorbs heat from the system and enters the condenser. Heat exchange. Condenser coils use surrounding air to dissipate refrigerant's heat. Condensation. Heat exchange prompts refrigerant to condense, reducing temperature and pressure. Collection and storage. Collected liquid refrigerant, colder and at lower pressure, re-enters system. Airflow. Fans or blowers enhance crucial airflow for effective heat dissipation. Cycle continuation. Liquefied refrigerant re-enters the system, ready to absorb heat, evaporate. Task 4. Identify the type of condenser used in a deep freezer. Visually inspect. Record in the table. In deep freezers, the most commonly used type of condenser is the fin tube or wire-on tube condenser, and in some cases, plate-type condensers are also utilized. Working procedure of condenser used in a deep freezer. Refrigerant flow. The high pressure, high temperature refrigerant vapor from the compressor enters the condenser. Heat exchange. Condenser releases vapor heat designed for efficient surface contact. Condensation. Refrigerant releases heat shifting from vapor to liquid phase. Collection and storage. Collected, cooler refrigerant stored in receiver or accumulator. Efficient heat dissipation. Condenser design caters to deep freezers' low temperature heat dissipation needs, enabling efficient refrigerant cooling and condensation. Cycle continuation. Condensers liquid refrigerant meters into evaporator, absorbing heat, continuing cycle. Task 5. Identify the type of condenser used in window AC and split AC. Both window ACs and split ACs typically use air-cooled condensers. However, their configuration may differ. Visually inspect. Window AC. Window ACs house all components within one casing, including condenser. Working procedure of window AC condenser. Refrigerant compression. The refrigerant in gaseous form, having absorbed heat from the room enters the compressor where it gets compressed. Condensation. The high pressure, hot refrigerant gas shifts to the outside coil. There, it expels heat to the environment, condensing into liquid. Expansion valve. The high-pressure liquid refrigerant passes through an expansion valve, reducing its pressure and temperature. Evaporation. Low-pressure liquid refrigerant enters room's evaporator, absorbing indoor heat, cooling air. Cycle continuation. The refrigerant then returns to the compressor to restart the cycle. Split ACs. In split ACs, the condenser is located in the outdoor unit along with the compressor. Working procedure of split ACs. Indoor unit. This contains the evaporator coil and air handler or blower. The indoor unit absorbs heat from the room air. Outdoor unit houses the compressor and condenser coil. Here, the heat absorbed from inside is expelled to the outside environment. Recap.
In this topic, we came to know about identifying condensers of refrigerator, identifying condenser of bottle cooler, identifying condenser of visible cooler, identifying condenser of deep freezer, identifying condenser of window AC and split AC. I hope you all understood the process of familiarizing with different types of condensers used in refrigerators, bottle coolers, visible coolers, deep freezers, window AC and split AC. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Goodbye.